Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be all about the Angelica essential oil, what it is good for, my favorite types of ways to use Angelica essential oil, and what are some suggested blends that you can get started using this wonderful essential oil. Now keep in mind it is extremely potent, and it is also one of the essential oils that is phototoxic. So what does that mean? It means that after you've applied this essential oil, even if you applied it directly, make sure or if you applied it diluted, make sure you avoid direct exposure to strong sunlight or exposure to a sunbed for at least 12 hours. So don't go out in the sun. If you applied this essential oil topically on your skin, it can lead to problems with photosensitivity, and it can lead to toxicity as well and irritation. Also, if you're pregnant, please avoid Angelica in all its forms, including the essential oil of Angelica. So let's get to the basic background of the Angelica herb and the benefits of it. So basically, Angelica is a herb that's been used mainly in Western herbal medicine, and it's been used since the medieval times. It has so many different benefits as well, usually used in countries like Hungary, in Germany as well. They use the herb Angelica and the essential oils in many of their practices and their healing traditions, and it's a very aromatic essential oil. And usually the essential oil is made from the root of the Angelica, and the root has been used in the traditional herbal medicine as a great cleanser and detoxifier of the body. So what does that tell us? It tells us the essential oil has quite similar properties to the plant itself. So it's one of these wonderful aromatic essential oils that is sweet, and the aroma reminds us more like aniseed. It's rich, it's warm, it's also spicy. So if you're quite sensitive to aromatic, spicy essential oils, you got to be careful with that, because it's not best for everyone. Of course, when it comes to essential oils, you really got to be careful. If you're purchasing it, before you purchase it, make sure to smell the aroma, know that you're comfortable with it before you make the investment. And also it has so many different benefits. Among them, and the top ways to use the essential oil is basically to help ease muscular aches and soothes also the sore joints associated with arthritis, associated with rheumatoid pains as well. And it also helps with problems with indigestion, problems with digestion issues, wind, gas, bloating, and it helps improve poor appetite. And overall, from an energetic perspective, it serves as a great energy tonic, and it helps to revitalize the whole system, the whole body in that way. It's amazing to be used for that exact purpose, is to give us serve as an energy tonic, give us energy, and help also with the sore joints as well. Now I've talked about other ways, so if you don't like to use the Angelica essential oil, you could also use other great ways to help sore aches, muscles, joints as well, pain of topical that way. So my favorite blend for that is black seed oil, 20 milliliters of black seed oil, cold pressed organic, please, because you need really good quality of flaxseed oil to work. Literally, for me, it worked overnight, and this is my experience with it. Black seed oil is a god-given. It's amazing. So black seed oil, 20 milliliters of black seed oil, add to that about 2-3 drops of rosemary essential oil, massage the achy joints, encircle emotions, and make sure to incorporate a little bit of heat in there as well through your arm motions that way, and it will really help. I've tried it so many different times with myself, with family members, and it has helped greatly overnight in regards to achy, sore joints, muscles, and pains associated with that. So let's get back to the Angelica. Angelica is also amazing. So for the muscle aches and pains, you can literally use Angelica along with vetiver and lavender in an essential oil blend, along with 20 milliliters of carrier oil. So the recipe asks for 2 drops of vetiver, 2 drops of Angelica, and 5 drops of lavender. Add that to carrier oil, around 15 milliliters to 20 milliliters of carrier oil, and then simply and massage gently on the achy muscles and joints. For digestive issues, it's advised to use the Angelica essential oil along with oils that are having similar properties, like ginger is also great for digestive discomfort. Also peppermint is amazing as well, and you can literally use that blend and massage over the abdomen area as well. So in order to help as an energy tonic, which we talked about, one of the properties of Angelica, it is amazing energy tonic. You can start off by adding 2 drops of Angelica, 3 drops of juniper essential oil, along with 4 drops of grapefruit. Add that to 20 milliliters of carrier oil, and also massage the skin that way. You can use it as a massage oil, you can use it in your bath as well as a simple energy tonic. So in my case, I would prepare that mixture ahead of time in an amber glass bottle. It stores greatly for about a month and a half, and label it. I'd label it, the Angelica blend for achy muscles, and then another one I'd label it as an energy tonic using Angelica, and I would write what essential oils are there. And please make sure to use essential oils responsibly. We've come towards the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe, click on the bell icon in order to be notified of all our new videos. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.